Mathina matiganite maria makoretwo makigumira maabitha a ugitiri guku bururi-ini na gucungiriria thina wa meciria nimo maguciririe thirikari hari kwarira mitaratara ya gutigirira maabitha aya ni meyohora kuma minyororo-ini no. Na ni kwitukira Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i, thirikari nianiriire gukuruhanio kwa mathomo ma uigithia na uhuthiri mwega wa kigiina hari maabitha othe a ugitiri thukuru-ini ciothe iria iheanaga mathomo kuri maabitha a borithi.
Now we should inculcate financial management as a critical component of the training for police officers. Immediately we check into Kiganjo. One of the courses other than the drill, the law and all that should be financial management.
Kurigana na Matiang'i wagi wa mathomo ma uigithia ni undu ucungiririe maabitha a borithi gwikora hatikaini ya gutangika meciria. Riu ciiko cia kwiruta muoyo na njuragano ingi ikigwetwo kuongerereka.
Some of the challenges we are facing with our young police officers, you know, all this trouble that we are seeing around, some of our young people taking their lives, challenges that are coming between our young couples and so on, half of them are related to financially related problems. We will have satisfied police officers, confident police officers who know that they have taken care of the welfare issues. Small temptations of taking 50 bob and 100 bob will reduce. That's how we'll sort this thing out. The shida ndogondogo ya renting a gun and so on will reduce.
Kwitukira unyitaniri gatagati ka Ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini na sako ya maabitha a borithi, riu family cia maabitha aria makwira wira-ini ni itanyitwo kuguneka na uteithio na mathomo kuri ciana ciao hamwe na moguni mangi.
Even if it's a scholarship that is limited to these orphans, or a tuition support to some of these.
For those who have passed from 360 marks above in KCPE, we take them, educate them from Form 1 up to the university level. So that one we are doing it. What we are going to do, we want to have a conversation with the board, how we can bring on board the widows.
Gukinyeria muthia wa mwaka muhituku sako ino yaniriire gukinyaniria utonga wa ciringi bilioni 44 ikigwetwo ta sako namba 1 hari rugamiriri mwega na namba 3 hari utonga riu amemba othe makiamukira dividends cia ciringi bilioni 2.6 iria cikugayanio kuringana na share cia o mundu. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV retwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.